Is Deepika Padukone in trouble again as NCB has filed the charge sheet of the drug case? Well, the government body NCB has been looking into matter for several months and finally they have submitted the charge sheet. NCB's charge sheet includes names of around 35 people as per the reports of recent times. Reports are suggesting that the charge sheet includes the names of Bollywood actress Rhea Chakrabarti. Rhea Chakrabarti's brother Shouvik Chakrabarti's name is also present in the charge sheet. But is Deepika Padukone's name also included in the charge sheet? Well, as per the reports, the NCB officials have not included the leading of Bollywood's name in the charge sheet. But if the recent reports are to be believed, then Deepika Padukone is still under the scanner of NCB. NCB has mentioned in their charge sheet that Rhea Chakrabarti procured drugs and supplied to the late actor. The NCB officials have also revealed that there will be a separate charge sheet for Karishma Prakash, Komal Rampal and Sapna Pabi. Yes, Bollywood actress Sapna Pabi has landed herself into a great trouble as per Pink Villa's report. There will be another charge sheet for these 3 and 14 other people. Karishma Prakash is none other than the former manager of Deepika Padukone who was summoned with her for questioning. It clearly reveals that Bollywood's leggy lass Deepika Padukone is not completely out of NCB's scanner. NCB officials have also revealed that their already submitted charge sheet includes the statements of Deepika Padukone too. This drug case has impacted the brand value of Deepika Padukone too much as it has decreased a huge number. Do you think Deepika Padukone might be into trouble again? Let us know in the comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates from Bollywood.